Is fixing to head out. Gonna go get my other items I need to make zucchini pizza bites. So I will see you guys in the next clip when I make the pizza bites. So make sure you stay tuned. You got the next clip.
How far can we get if
Gotta get a pan and cut up your zucchinis. Use olive oil. Put it in here. Cook it for 1-2 minutes on each side. Take it off, and I'll show you guys the next step after that. You gotta turn the boil on. Install it first. Get it preheated. A tablespoon of oil on your pan. Spread it up so everything can get coated, just like so. And then you gotta put any halves on here. Don't overcrowd it. One or 2 minutes on both sides, and I'll show you guys the next step. Make sure that your boil is on as well. Let it preheat as you're doing this mixture after you're cooking your zucchinis. Cooking, I'm gonna make me some coffee. Picked up this one today at Bath & Body Works, and I'm gonna have this with it, but I'm excited about this one. But I will try it out and give you guys a review after this is cooked, or while it's cooking I do a quick little review. So let's to my Keurig and make this coffee, and I will do a review. It's really good. I like peppermint, that's for sure. Put a tablespoon in, and let's try it. Ooh, that is really good. I also did maybe one little dollop of my agave syrup from them as well, and it is really, really good. Let me show you guys what it looks like now. It looks almost done. I gotta flip it over one more time. I gotta do it now. So let's do it right now. So you actually want to look at how it looks. Hot, but I'm going to finish that, and I will show you guys the next clip. That batch is just a little bit more left to cook, but right now I'm going to put a little less than a tablespoon of this on the ones that I already made. So let's do that right now. Let's do a little bit, not much, like half a tablespoon on each, just like so. Like that. As you can hear it, it's time for me to flip them, but let me do that now, and I'll show you guys the next clip. Sprinkle some, I probably use just like one little pinch of my cheese, then 2 of these. They're like miniature pepperoni, so I'm going to show you guys that process right now. So since they're a lot smaller, I'm just going to use about this much, not much, because they're so small. Use about one of these, probably 2 of them on each, because they're so small. Just And yep, that's what you do. Talk to you guys in the next clip. Done preparing all of them. That's what they look like. So you gotta put them in the oven at a boil setting for 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese melts. So let's do it, and I will get back to you guys when they're done. 2 minutes. At boil high for 2 minutes. Had 2, and they are amazing. This is what they look like. They are really, really good. Like, they are really good. Like, do them again. Good. So I recommend doing this. I'll put the recipe in the description box below, and the macros and all that good stuff. So this is for 2. This is 2 zucchini. So I'm excited to eat these, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Or yeah, I might have to actually end the vlog after this, because this is just me doing my recipe. So not planning on doing anything else, but hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you guys want to do more of these, and just leave me a message in the comments. So see you guys in the next vlog.